If you're an entrepreneur who understands the power of content marketing for business conversions, which is what my YouTube channel is all about, and you're like, I'm not necessarily following that influencer business model. So whether or not I get paid by the TikTok Creator Fund, I'm wondering otherwise. Can you make money from TikTok? Because if you can't, my business has to make sales. So I don't have time for the kiddie nonsense. If that sounds like you and how you're thinking right now, well then this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and today I'm going to answer the question, can you make money from TikTok? But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Okay, so you can make money directly from your TikTok videos. Whatever you might make from TikTok's Creator Fund aside, one of my star students, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, does make money every single month from TikTok that way. Well, otherwise, if you end up qualifying to get paid out of that Creator Fund, as an entrepreneur, that extra money might not be what you care about. You need to sell your products, your programs, your services, your offerings, right? That's why you're doing content marketing in the first place, on or off of TikTok. If your content marketing doesn't convert to you as an entrepreneur, it's not worth it. I get that. So #1, at least one TikTok video you publish per week should have a direct sales-based call to action in it. I know this sounds kind of basic, but if you're, shall we say, a more mature entrepreneur, you might be thrown off kilter because you're creating video-based content to begin with. TikTok is a whole different animal to you, and you might not be thinking of putting a call to action in your content if it's a TikTok video. And this is a mistake. You want conversions? Ask for them in terms of what you say in the TikTok. Sure, it can be you talking directly to the camera without even music or sound effects in the background. You can layer things in too, but if you want to keep it simple, keep things simple. In the beginning, that makes sense, right? So say that an item that you're showcasing in your TikTok video is for sale, and people should go to the link in bio to scoop up a, coupon that's good for their first purchase with your business. There's so many ways to get people to opt into your email list, scoop up their coupon, and get the sale after you're done showcasing a product or a service or discussing your upcoming program or whatever. Telling them in the video is just one way. Putting a text overlay with the call to action is another way. Maybe putting that call to action in the caption is yet another way. But you can also make money from TikTok videos indirectly. When you're a solopreneur or you have a small business, it's tough to score sales versus legacy brands that are fighting for sales from the same customer base as you're in. How to level the playing field and get more people to become aware that your business exists? It's easy. Create video content that TikTok is going to give a big push to right now that will get people to become aware of your business's existence as well as its offerings, one well-optimized piece of content at a time. You can optimize your content well with keywords in the caption and hashtags also in the caption, both of which can get pulled up in search because nowadays TikTok is a huge social media search engine where people search up content based on keywords, hashtags, or both. When people become aware of your brand's existence through these TikTok videos, they're going to see your offerings on display in those videos. They'll also see, if you're smart, not just sales-based content, but relationship-based content that entertains, educates, and/or inspires them. With every such TikTok video tastefully, strategically showcasing or starring your products too. you'll get more followers this way. And even if they don't hop onto your email list immediately and or buy from you immediately, guess what? Today, millennials and Generation Z especially would rather buy from smaller brands than bigger ones a lot of the time. And they'll make purchases from businesses that are smaller, more grassroots, but they have to know, like, and trust them. How do you do that? Not just with sales-based marketing that says buy my stuff all the time, but also with relationship marketing-based content too. Content that shows that you care about whatever problem your ideal customer is struggling with. The accent mark must be on them in a lot of your TikTok videos. But sure, you're a business, so straight up sales-based TikTok video content works too. No one's going to be mad at a business going for sales, but they're more likely to buy from businesses that show that they love their ideal customer and are all about helping that person get out of pain and into pleasure. That is the type of small business that people want to support today. Make sense? So, if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer to the question of, can you make money from TikTok? Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you some more great content marketing strategies.